survive in the wild places, far from the city lights, face to face with raw nature. This is the human planet. Places on Earth, we have risen to the challenges nature has thrown at us. Now we have created is the human planet. Places on Earth, we have the destiny of our planet is now in human hands.